My cat attacks the TV every time this animal appears. It all started on a lazy Sunday afternoon. I was stretched out on the couch, flipping through channels when suddenly I heard thump, thump, scratch. I looked up, and there was Luna, my usually calm and curious cat, leaping at the TV like it had just insulted her entire family. What triggered this royal meltdown? A bird. Yes, a small bird in a nature documentary, just fluttering around innocently. And Luna turned into a wild predator in an instant. From cuddly to predator, what triggers this reaction? At first I thought it was a one-time thing, but no. The moment she sees a bird, whether it's a sparrow, parrot, or even a cartoon bird, she goes crazy every time. I did some research, because naturally I needed answers. It turns out that cats are visual hunters. Their eyes are built to detect fast, jerky movements. So when they see a small creature darting around, even on screen, their instinct to pounce kicks in immediately. In the wild, that movement means prey. On the TV, it means chaos. But why only certain animals? Interestingly, Luna doesn't react to it. Dogs, meh. Lions, she's mildly interested. But birds, butterflies, even flying cartoons, that's when the storm begins. Experts say cats can distinguish motion, contrast, and even sounds, so certain animals mimic real prey more closely, triggering a stronger response. And modern high-definition TVs with smooth motion, they make it worse, because to the cat, it looks like the bird is real. The funniest and strangest moment so far. Let me tell you, I've had to apologize to my TV more than once. Once, Luna jumped so hard she nearly knocked the remote off the shelf. Another time, she tried to sneak up behind the screen, as if the bird was escaping through the wires. And yes, I caught her stalking the screen from under the coffee table like a fluffy ninja. I even tried showing her bird videos on purpose, just to see what would happen. Result? I now own a scratched-up soundbar and a very proud-looking cat. Should you be worried if your cat does this? Short answer, not really, unless it's causing damage or stressing your cat out. Here's what you can do if your cat attacks the TV. Use wall mounts or stands to protect your screen. Provide enrichment toys that mimic hunting behavior. Try interactive feeders or laser toys to redirect energy. Use a cat TV playlist, yes, that's a thing, which offers calmer visuals like fish or slow birds. If the behavior becomes obsessive, or your cat shows signs of stress, like vocalizing constantly or scratching furniture, talk to your vet or a pet behaviorist. But honestly, it's hilarious. Let's face it, part of the joy of living with cats is how unpredictably dramatic they are. Luna isn't just attacking the screen, she's defending the home from digital birds. True hero in her own mind. And honestly, I wouldn't change it for the world. Have a furry TV attacker of your own? If your cat does something similar, share your story in the comments. I'd love to know what animal sets them off. And don't forget to subscribe for more funny pet stories, real-life animal behavior explained, and all the adorable chaos that comes with being a cat.